Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
मॉर्निंग मॉर्निंग बैठिए बैठिए
Yes, sir.
इशिता योर ऑप्शनल आई कैन सी इज पॉलिटिकल साइंस एंड इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन
Yes.
PSIR. You tell me, in states, all states, you can say there is a chief minister and governor. So, what is the need of governor? Because most of the work is being done by the chief minister and ministers. So, why governors are appointed?
Sir, India follows a model of dual executive where the head of the government is different from the head of the state. Sir, the role of a governor is paramount in the governance of a state because it ensures continuity. And the governor is also the binding factor and the common factor across the nation, which ensures an India factor in the governance of the states. So, sir, for the unity and integrity of India, the position of governor is integral.
But in several states, you must have seen that there is a tussle or problem between the chief minister and governor. So, how to solve this issue?
Sir, I think a solution in this regard would be that, as many commissions have suggested, for example, the Sarkaria Commission or the Panchi Commission, that there should be a panel of members of public prominence who must be there, and they can be from that list. Someone can be selected, and it should be in consultation and in agreement with the state governance also, because this will ensure that they can work hand in hand, and there is both checks and balances, but there is also coordination.
Okay, have you seen Hyderabad? Means when you grew up?
Sir, I was just 1 year old, and then we
you
had
left,
moved.
because I wanted to ask one question related with the Charminar. Anyway, because I have seen many times. You have done your BA honors in this economics, several economics papers are there. So, what are the factors which really control Indian economy? Any 2, 3 factors, not full paper, you should discuss.
Sir, in the macroeconomic scenario, the factors which control
No,
the Indian
microeconomy you have written separately. Indian economy, microeconomic, macroeconomics, I understand. But what is this, public economics? You have written that is a separate paper.
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by the public economics?
So, public economics centers around the distribution of resources in a society and how the taxation system must function to cater to the society.
So that is not under micro or macroeconomics.
Sir, micro and macro form the foundational basis on which these subjects are studied, and on those theories we understand how public economics works.
Okay. For what theory Abhijit Banerjee got the Nobel Prize in economics? Any 2 points?
Sir, it was the randomized control trials, and sir, they created groups of people and analyzed their responses with certain incentives. So this is also helpful in public economics.
Okay. You name any 2 women in India, powerful women, maybe IAS, IPS, which have impressed you, mentioning their main 1 or 2 contributions.
So can I take a moment?
Yes, because you are going to join civil services,
Yes, sir.
and being women, you should know at least some of these role models, or you can consider them as your role models.
So the first name that comes to my mind is IPS officer Lakshmi Singh. So she is the first commissioner of the Gautam Budh Nagar district. And in the commissionerate system of last 7 years, first time a female officer has been appointed. And I feel she can actually handle all the issues of crimes against women in the NCR region.
But Gautam Buddha and Noida are the main centers of corruptions. So what she did for that? That's why I was asking some important, very important national level contribution. Any woman from IAS, IPS? If no, then you can say no problem. Now, there was one meeting on climate change in US, and there one very famous economist said that in India, women are responsible for climate change. So, can you guess what he was referring to? how women can be responsible for causing climate changes in India.
Fine, thank you, Ishita. Please wait outside for 2 minutes.
Okay.
We'll summon you again.
Thank you, sir.